This is one of my top baby carry tips that I tell people every single day of my life with their Ergo babies, their Tulas or anything else. Make sure these straps are positioned correctly. You can see here, this strap is really wide across my back and the shoulder straps are too tight. What you need to do is undo everything, or get someone to do it for you if you can't yet reach it. Take these shoulder straps off and make this strap a whole lot tighter. It should be, for the majority of people, if you're kind of petite to average size, on its almost on its narrowest setting, and then make these shoulder straps quite a bit longer. With a wriggly baby or a bigger baby, you may want to put them down while you do this, but it should now be an awful lot easier. You've also got a little bit of space here to lift the clip up so it's easier to connect, and then simply snug your baby into you and pull these shoulder straps. Now on an Ergo baby, you'll be putting these straps back. On a Tula and some other carriers, you're putting the straps forward. So now you can see the straps are much more central in here and the best fit here.